A wheel alignment is the adjustment of a vehicle's suspension, the system that connects a vehicle to its wheels. An alignment ensures that your tires are contacting the road at the right angle, that your wheels are pointing straight, and your tires are centered in the wheel well. You will likely need a wheel alignment if you notice any of the following. Your vehicle is pulling to one side, one tire is wearing quicker than the others, and your steering wheel is off-center while driving straight. A wheel alignment may also be necessary if you are installing new tires, or if you go over a large pothole or curb, if you are involved in an accident, or if you replace any parts of the suspension, such as shocks or struts. With a proper wheel alignment, your wheels will grip the road better, your vehicle will drive straight and handle well, and it will save you money in the long run by minimizing tire wear and increasing the lifespan of your suspension and steering components. If you have any concerns about your vehicle, or think you may be in need of a wheel alignment, contact your OMS service advisor who will gladly answer any questions or concerns. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching.